Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Steven. Welcome to another exciting episode of Getting to Geek. I wanted to go ahead and teach you guys a little bit about Wi-Fi tethering, also who it would be important for and who could use it on a regular basis. Now Wi-Fi tethering allows you to take your mobile phone and use it as a Wi-Fi enabled hotspot. Just like you would have a modem at home, you'd be able to connect to your phone and use it to provide internet to any device you'd like, whether it be a tablet, another cell phone, or even a laptop. Now, I'm currently using the Galaxy S3. This Galaxy S3 is T-Mobile branded, but I'm actually using it with the Simple Mobile service. Now, for anybody who has a prepaid service and is trying to use the mobile hotspot, especially with T-Mobile, you won't be able to do so. There's actually a notification message that says that you have the incorrect plan and it will not allow you to use the mobile hotspot with the phone. So how do you bypass this? I'm going to make it pretty simple. There's actually two applications that I have available on the phone. One of the applications is called Portable Space Wi-Fi Space Hotspot. Those spaces are very important because when you try to search for this application on the market, you won't be able to get the correct application to pop up unless you spell it that exact way. And I'm sorry, I know the camera isn't capturing that very well. I'll also show you the other application that is the incorrect application to use. And that would be the mobile hotspot, the standard application that's available on most of the smartphones that you have on T-Mobile. Now keep this in mind, most phones, when you buy them from a carrier or buy them unlocked, like say you buy the Galaxy Nexus or the Nexus device, those phones will have the Wi-Fi tethering application preloaded that will not restrict you no matter what service you have. Now when you click into this application, it will restrict you. Now I currently have it on because I was testing it for the video, but I'm going to turn it off and then I'm going to turn it back on so that you can see the error message that pops up. Give it a second. I guess it wants to be just be annoying while I'm trying to record. So I'm going to try to turn on the feature and it should pop up with a message notifying me that I'm using the incorrect plan with the service. Or maybe it just won't activate at all because it wants to be a jerk. Alright, I went ahead and cut to it. It says your current rate plan does not support sharing your phone's data connection with other devices using USB tethering or mobile hotspot for internet access. Do you want to add the smartphone mobile hotspot service to your rate plan now? Haha, no I don't, because of course since I'm using Simple Mobile that would be impossible. So I'm going to go ahead and back out of this message. But what I wanted to show you is that if I click on this, it acts like, if you want to call it a widget. I click into it and it activates the application and completely bypasses the normal application that you would be using to do the Wi-Fi tether. And if you noticed up in the top left corner, that is actually the notification for this app on the right side, which is the normal app. So what it did was activate the radio without checking to see if I had the correct plan. And yes, this is completely working. I can use it on any other device. And you can also go into the application itself and you can change the name of your Wi-Fi hotspot up at the top, and you can also select what kind of security you want to have with this configuration button. So this was just a quick video teaching you guys how you can use Wi-Fi tethering, especially if you're using a device that's on T-Mobile. You can test this out on AT&T and Verizon. It should be something that works with all Android operating systems. And if you actually do search for this application, it will notify you. If you can read it here, and if you can't, don't worry, I'm going to read it to you. This says that it supports Android 2.1 and over. So yes, even older devices that are running the 2.3 software and even 2.1 will be able to use your Wi-Fi radio as a hotspot. So this was a quick video to teach you a little bit about what Wi-Fi tethering is, why it would be useful to you, and how to do it on a device that it has blocked by carrier. So let's say you have Verizon or AT&T. If you don't have the correct plan, it won't allow you to do so. And just for an update, if you have Verizon or AT&T and you have one of their newer plans, most of their newer plans already provide you with the Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Now on AT&T, if you have a grandfathered plan, you won't have the capability. You'll have to pay extra, or you're gonna have to find a workaround such as I did with this T-Mobile device. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you had anybody asking questions about Wi-Fi tethering, I hope this helped them as well. I just want to mention also as a side note, anybody that's using Boost devices, especially the new ones like the Galaxy S2 device, it is actually incredibly hard to get them to do the Wi-Fi tethering, even if you have the device rooted. I have seen so far one ROM that allows you to do so. So if you know anything about rooting or ROMs and you need that ROM, let me know and I'll find it for you. So this was another exciting episode of Getting the Geek. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.